what's up guys? Andito naman na nag-iisa nyong Omega. This is Martin Dave and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ipapakita namin sa inyo, lalong-lalo na sa mga nanonood dyan na Team Omega, kung paano namin gagawin ang perfect makeup look for your JS prom. So right now, I am here with my model. So introduce yourself.
Hi mga Omega! My name is Micah Sofia Cantuba.
So she's Micah and without further ado, let's get started. So ayan, magsisimula na po kami. And first, nilagyan ko po muna siya ng hair velcro para hindi maging magulo yung hair niya. At of course, nilagyan ko na din siya ng contact lens. So ayan, nakapag-primer na po kami. Then next is the foundation. At ang gagamitin kong foundation sa kanya is yung Maybelline Super Stay in shade 310 Sun Beige. Ito yung match sa skin niya eh. Maybelline. So ayan, tapos na ako makapag-foundation sa kanya. This time ang next is the concealer. So ang gagamitin kong concealer is Everbelina Concealer in shade light. Everbelina Concealer Light yung shade niya. So, tapos na kami mag-liquid foundation, then the liquid concealer this time. Ilalagay ko naman ang pressed powder or yung face powder. At ang gagamitin kong face powder ay from Fashion 21 in shade light. Fashion 21. So, ilalagay ko na lang sa description yung mga name at brand ng products. Next is the loose powder from Fashion 21 again. So the purpose of this is to bake her face. So after that, mag-eyeshadow na po kami and I'm gonna be using the Morphe palette eyeshadow from James Charles. And I'm gonna be using this shade. Okay. This one. This shade for the base of her eyeshadow from Morphe Eyeshadow. So, tapos na ako sa base ng kanyang eyeshadow this time. I'm gonna be using this dark shade of brown para, maging more dramatic yung eyes niya. So, tapos na po kaming mag-eyeshadow, kaya naman maglalagay na ako ngayon ng liquid eyeliner, mascara, and of course, yung extension lashes or yung false eyelashes. So, ayan, tapos na kami sa eye makeup. This time, magpupunta na tayo sa kilay. So, ang gagamitin kong pagkilay na pencil is, so actually, pencil yung ginagamit ko pag kilay. At ito ay Everbelina na pencil at in shade medium brown, Everbelina pencil eyeliner. Medium brown. So, tapos na din ako magkilay. Then, gagawin na namin yung contouring at nose line using this Ushas Correct Powder Contour. Ushas. Tapos na po kami mag-contour at nose line this time. Mag-blush on na po tayo. So, I'm gonna be using this blush on from Naked Tree or 1DK Naked Tree. Next is my favorite part, which is the highlighter. So for highlighter, yung gagamitin ko is ito from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty Highlighter Palette or highlighter and contour powder from Huda Beauty. So ito yung gagamitin ko. Kami at this time magli-lipstick na po kami at ang gagamitin naming lipstick ay yung Vice Cosmetics or yung Vice lipstick in shade Eclavou. Again, yung shade ay Eclavou from Vice Cosmetics. So ayan mga Amega, almost done na yung kanyang makeover pero may panghuli pa sa lahat, which is yung setting spray from Nichido. It is matte finish makeup setting spray. So gagamitin ko na para maging long lasting yung makeup niya. Kung for example, syempre pag nasa prom, syempre nasa school kayo, dapat long lasting talaga yung makeup. So gagamitin ko yung setting spray na to from Nichido. So ayun na nga mga Amega, ito na po ang final look ng kanyang JS Prom or Junior Senior Promenade Makeovers. So for more videos and makeup tutorials, please give thumbs up on this video and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and click nyo na rin ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, makeup tutorials, and any updates or videos here on my channel. So thank you for watching guys, especially sa mga Team Amega dyan. So,
I hope you guys enjoy this video and please don't forget to subscribe.
Bye! Thank you for watching!